welcome to the stretches that I believe you should be doing in the mornings when you wake up that will actually change your life. Why? Why should we stretch when we wake up? Well, if you watch your dog or your cat, you'll see that that's the first thing they do when they wake up is they stretch. Have you ever seen a lion stretch when he wakes up? Right, so they're wise and they're tuned into the needs of their bodies. And the reason why we need to stretch is because our muscles have been in a relaxed state, and by stretching them we restore balance in the body before we move on. So stretching maintains the flexibility of the muscle and the joint, and by doing that we prevent injury. So if you wake up, turn quickly, put your feet on the ground, very often you end up with backache, and that's because your muscles weren't ready for that movement. And also the joints weren't ready for that movement. So what's the first thing we do? The first thing we do is what I believe we should do is what Jose Pilates says, and that is humans should begin their day and exercise with the Pilates roll down. So that just wakes up the spine, stretches the spine, makes the vertebra mobile, and of course now you understand that that's what we actually need to do, is to keep everything mobile and stretched. Okay, so the way to do this one is to stand sideways. Well, I'm standing sideways to you, but you stand on your big toe, your baby toe, and your heel. Your shoulders are back and down, and your abs are on tight, okay? What we do is we breathe in, fill our lungs to full capacity. We drop our chin tight on our chest, and we start to roll down slowly. Slowly, slowly, slowly. When our hands get to knee height, we bend them, and then we start to push our coccyx to the ceiling. So our coccyx is going to the ceiling. Push, 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 push. At the bottom, you're going to breathe in really, really hard. Fill your lungs to full capacity. And then you're going to reverse the movement by dropping your coccyx to the floor, but keeping your chin really, 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 really tight. Okay? You're going to keep that tight all the way until you come up and you end up with your shoulders back and down. All right, so that's your Pilates roll. Again, just drop your chin and rolling down. Feel as though your head is your anchor, and you keep your chin tight all the way. You roll, you roll, you roll. When your hands are knee height, you go further, you drop your knees, bend your knees, and you roll and you roll and you roll and you roll until you're at the bottom and your coccyx is to the ceiling. Then you breathe in at the bottom and you start to reverse the movement by dropping your coccyx and starting to roll up one vertebra at a time. One vertebra at a time until you end up standing up and erect.